Do you also want high engagement on your content? Then be right here. Today we're going to start with step 1 on how to write an engaging script that will help you to get a massive audience. High engagement on your videos will give you high retention, giving you higher rankings and tons of views from suggested and search results. So what magical script do you need to write to have a massive amount of engagement? Let's talk about it today step by step. So the step 1 is hot intro. Now what does hot stand for? Hook, outcome and testimonial. Hook means to grab the attention of your viewers to your content and make them to stick around. Outcome will tell the viewers what they are going to gain from the video by watching it till the end. And testimonials are to make your audience to believe in you by showing your experience or knowledge. So that is what the HOT stand for. Hook the audience, make them believe in the outcome and give them testimonials to trust your work. However, if you have a new channel, your initial goal is to simply capture the audience attention. Then don't forget to hook their attention and make them glued to the end of the video. A hook is a key. For example, if you want to start a daily vlog, why will people start to watch your life unless you give them something really engrossing, different from what they see almost daily? Well, the easiest way would be to grab their curiosity. Make them think, I have to watch this. This seems really interesting. Or you can start your video with the most interesting clip of that video and make the audience to be hooked till reaching that part. This will make them curious and you will going to lead them all the way back to the point from start. Get it? And step number 2 of creating a YouTube script for maximum engagement is to specify your expectation. You have to ask the viewers to hit the like button and to subscribe to get notified whenever you post a new content. Here the goal is to create a YouTube family, a clan of your loyal subscribers. Although you need to know that people don't use YouTube daily, so you have to lead them. After grabbing their attention in the first step, ask the viewers to subscribe your channel. Step number 3 is like a patty. Think of it as a burger. If your burger just only has a bun and cream in it, it will be bland. So the patty is very important and you wanna get into it as quickly as possible. So regardless the type of content you create, the quality of your content is the life of your video, which means without the quality, your content will be dull and you may not attract the amount of subscriber and viewers you have desired. So focus on patty to keep the viewers engaged in your content by keeping them hooked. Coming to step number 4. Step number 4 is middle engagement. Keeping in mind that not everybody uses YouTube regularly, you need to keep your questions simple. You need to make your audience relaxed and receptive. Make sure you charm them enough to make them leave a comment on your video. So what do I do to make people leave thousands of comments on my video is I keep my questions simple. For example, right now I am going to ask you whether you are getting a grasp of how to create a high engagement YouTube video script. Tell me, are you? If yes, then please write awesome down below in the comments. I know some of you will surely comment and I am really thankful for that. And if you have written awesome, then I will definitely reply you back. So let's roll back a little bit. Now you have asked people to subscribe at the beginning. That's one piece of engagement. And you have added a questions to keep them engaged with your content. Plus, you have asked them to comment. That will further increase your engagement. So, if you want to garner huge comments in your videos, then just follow these simple steps to encourage people to leave a comment. Now, let's move forward to step number 5, which is outro engagement. You have to make sure that before the viewers leave your video, they are engaging with you. There are a few steps you can take to ensure that. Firstly, ask them to hit the like button if they found your videos helpful, or dislike it if they didn't. Since even dislike is also a kind of engagement, it will send message to the YouTube algorithm that people are engaging with your content, and that may lead the algorithm to suggest your future videos again. The next thing to do to increase your engagement is to ask questions and include those questions in the card of the video. For instance, I am going to add a card saying, are you going to use this scripting formula to increase your engagement? Yes or no? This is not a one-sided conversation that is only me talking to you. The base scripting formula involves high engaging script where the audience is deeply hooked with you throughout the video. This is a two-way conversation where the audience is also get to participate in your video. Now we will move to the step number 6. Try to get a date with your viewers on the other social media platforms. Sounds confusing? Let me explain. To have long-lasting connection, you need to make people part of your daily life. Once the viewers watches your video and they found it interesting, they admire it. But what are the chances that they will again come back? People have poor memories and they move to other sources of content quite easily. This may become hurdle in your goal of collecting loyal subscribers. So what to do? You have to leave mark on people's mind. You have to bring them come back again and again. Now all of you know that all the social media platforms make it easier to have a strong relationship. Well, commenting back on your video is surely one way, but also make them part of your Facebook page, your Instagram account, your website and any other social media platforms that you have. That will be twice productive. So please keep in mind to guide your viewers to somewhere else where they can follow and build a strong relationship with you. And for that, you need to get a date with them on other social media platforms. If you are really keen on creating killer impression on YouTube with your content, then don't forget to check out all other videos of this channel. That will help you with a real life example of me getting more than 500k subscribers on my other channel in less than a year. I am sure that will surely help you a lot. So, did you find this video helpful? Are you going to use the steps we talked about here? Please leave a comment and let me know. I am excited to know your opinion. If you have found anything valuable out of this video, then please smash the like button down below and also share it with your friends, family or with anyone who may need it. And also do subscribe. I will meet you in our next video. Till then, bye bye guys.